Alright, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Damn Good Trading is back. And today, people keep asking me how I copy trade and what I use for a copy trader, so I'm going to show you exactly how to make a copy trader on Tradovate, which is the platform I use most of the time. And then I'm also going to show you how to set up copy trading on TopstepX, because I just started using TopstepX, and it's pretty good. I like it quite a bit. But first, we have Tradovate. And I'm also going to show you guys how to do trailing stops and stop limit orders, because I had to watch a video on how to do that before, and the guy just kept on saying, and it was super annoying to watch. So I'm going to explain all of that today, right now. And we did just get our new MFFU funded accounts. We took a 12K payout from our last ones, and then unfortunately we blew them. So I had to get some new ones, and we already got them. Woo! From our one trade last Friday. Let's see if I can find this trade. I sent a screenshot in the Discord, called it out too, as it was happening, because this was a major snipe. Boom. We were watching this heavy. I was thinking about going in shorts, so I thought we were going to take out the low of the day, but we never did. So when I saw this dumping super hard, I saw it like rebounding a little bit and not like breaking through this main level. So I knife caught with full port. So we went 5 cons on each account. We were copy trading 3 of them, and we boom passed it in one trade. We got $4,000 profit per account in this little trade, and it ended up pulling back a little bit and then going up further, but it doesn't matter because that was like a 15-minute trade. Boom, $12,000. Wasn't funded, obviously. This was just the eval, but now we have the funded accounts, so we need to set up our copy trader and start making money on them. We might do a trade today. I'm not sure. It's still the London session, which I do like trading London. It does look like a decent spot for longs, but I'm not sure if we're bearish or what on the week. So I'm not going to. This is the trade we took on Friday. Boom. Yeah, we sold right at the peak. It's perfect timing. Then it popped up a little higher, came back, popped up even higher. But yeah, I mean, I would probably take the longs here because I think we are going to be bullish, but our copy trader is not even set up, so it doesn't matter. So let's show you how to set up the copy trader right now. So we have 3 accounts, and we want to copy trade all of them, right? So that means every trade we take, we make basically 3 times the money because we have 3 accounts, right? So we're going to go right here to where it says accounts, put the little drop down menu, and we'll go to manage groups right here. Boom. Press that, and we have none, so we're going to press the plus sign right there to add a new group, and we're going to call this 50K funded. So you just put in whatever name you want, doesn't really matter. Boom, you do that, make it, and then I don't know what this account is, to be honest, but it doesn't really matter because I know that 2, 3, 4, these are the main accounts that I just got, and I want to copy trade those. So we'll drag them over here to the added account section. We don't really want to touch the quantity because we want them to be exactly the same. If you change the quantity, then it'll start, adding extra contracts. So we did 2 right here. All other accounts would buy 1 con, and this one would buy 2 cons, which we don't really need. There's no point because we want to keep them all the same. You know what I mean? Which it might not be a bad idea to have like one account like super over leveraged. Um, but then like yeah, it's you could blow it if it pulls back too much while the other trades are still going well and stuff. So I wouldn't really recommend it. But I mean, this is pretty much it. You literally just make this account group, you drag them over here, you press save, it says save successfully, you close out of there, and then this is the next step. And this messes me up sometimes because sometimes I'm rushing to get in a trade because I see a 6 setup and I forget to open this. Make sure I have one of the accounts in that group selected, and then you got to press the account group. Boom. So you see right here how it says the account that we want to trade plus 50K is funded, right? You got to make sure you see that plus 50K is funded, because if you don't have it like this, then you're only trading one account. And let me show you guys how to do this. So yeah, once you're in here, if you have three accounts, you gotta choose three contracts, right? So if you choose three right here, it's only gonna buy one contract per account. Let's say you do five, you probably won't be able to do it because you got to do multiples of three, right? So if we did six, it would do two cons per account. If you did nine, it would do three cons per account. I usually just stick with three, um, especially when I'm first starting out these funded accounts. It's $2,000 before max loss, so it's not much. Sticking with one to two cons is usually a good idea, unless you see like the sickest setup, like we saw on Friday. We took the chance and boom, we went max cons and it worked out really nicely. But yeah, I'm gonna take it slow anyways. Probably just do one to two cons per trade till we get a nice buffer, and then we could maybe go even higher. But yeah, I mean that's pretty much how you set up the copy trader. So if we were to buy right now, we'd get one con each. I don't think I want to go long. Longs look like the better option here, but I mean we just made a new high a day, so not sure how big this pullback is. We might dip down to VWAP before going up. So we could actually just try a micro. So even if we go to micros, we'll still have our three accounts selected, and we could still take the trade. And it is looking like it's gonna dip quite a bit, but it's not making new lows. So we could actually just try the longs here. It's in micros, so it's okay anyways. So boom, you see all three accounts bought one micro. And then if we want to sell them, we would go to exit and market and cancel, or just buy markets. Because we sold, we need to buy them back. But I mean, let's see. Let's see if this trade works out. In the meantime, I'm gonna show you how to do a trailing stop limit order on Tradovate, because this was something that was kind of hard for me to figure out, and the other YouTube video I watched was god awful. So basically, when you have the chart, you're going to want to add it on the chart. So when you have the chart open, you go to this little icon right here, or this cogwheel, view settings, and you do stop type. And this is going to change your stop type whenever you put it here. So if sell pre-stop, oh, we went in longs, I forgot, yeah. So I would have to sell these back to get out of it. But yeah, so for our stop, see how it's not moving? We want it to trail us. So like if it's going up right now, we want the stop to keep coming up. So, you know, if we want to walk away or something like that, then we could just do a trailing stop. And let's say it fucking moons for whatever reason, our trailing stop would follow it. And while we're sleeping or doing whatever, if it comes back on us for any reason, then it'll stop us out. So right now we just have a hard stop, so basically it won't move at all. We want to change it to a trailing stop. We'll go to stop type right here. Right now we're on just regular stop. We could do stop limits here as well, and we could do trailing stop, which sometimes I like to use trailing stop, especially if it's London or Asia and it's just super boring. I'll set it somewhat low because the pullbacks on NASDAQ are fairly brutal, like 10, 20, sometimes 60 points. So we'll do like a 10-point trailing stop, just because, if it pulls back here, it's not even a pullback, it's just, a change of direction pretty much. But we're expecting it to kind of break out of these highs over time. But we want it to trail just in case it double tops or something like that and comes back down, it'll stop us out at near break even. So we'll put a sell stop right there. Now let's see, if it goes up here, you'll see it moving, because we chose the trailing stop. But let's see. Let's see if we get a little pump here. If we do get a little pump, this trailing stop is going to start moving up for us. Yeah, just like it's moving right there. You see that? Every tick, the trailing stop is going up. So assuming it bounces off of here and it comes back down, then we'll be in break even by the time it gets up there. If not, we'll be in a little bit of profit. But you're not gonna be able to move this once you set a trailing stop. Keep that in mind. So if you didn't want to have the trailing stop, you could always just press this cogwheel, come back, go to regular stop. But we'll keep the trailing stop right now because we're making a video and we want to see this trade plays out. We're only in 1 micro for the sake of this video, even though I think this is a pretty decent trade. We'll just take it safe, leave the trailing stop, and move on to TopstepX because I had to have someone in my YouTube live explain to me how to do the trailing stop. So yeah, I mean we're in evals right now. We're at 4K profit on these 150K evals. We already copy traded them, so let's go back to this copy trader. So the first thing is, press the settings. If you're on here, go to settings right here, and then risk settings. You can do a bunch of stuff on here. I mean, there's a lot of cool stuff. Honestly, I like TopstepX and all of its features. But yeah, if we want to copy trade it, we want this 5-7 account and the 7-4, right? Because those are accounts that we didn't blow. We also have some other combines we hit DLL on that I might want to trade later, but don't want to trade those right now. So yeah, we do want the 880, 7-4, and the 7-5-7 account. So we go to copy trading. We'll just clear this out. And we got the 880, that's going to be our lead account. So this one will get the best fills, while the other ones might have a small delay, but nothing too crazy. TopstepX actually has a pretty good copy trader. But yeah, we want the 7-6 and the 7-4 account. So these will be the follow accounts right there. And if we wanted to, we could trade all of our combines at the same time, but I think I'd prefer not to. So we'll just do groups of 3. And the thing is, I'm not sure if we could do multiple groups on TopstepX. I haven't figured that out. So we're just gonna be copy trading with one group. And yeah, I mean TopstepX kind of gives you all the info right here. Like this is a lead account, and these are the 2 follower accounts for us. And if we wanted to add these 3, which I kind of do, I really think we're going to double top at least. So I wouldn't mind doing all 6 accounts and sending this right here. But I think I want to see it break 94. And then for the last 7 points, yeah, I think we actually will do that. Let's just copy trade all these accounts. Let's see if it works out. And over here it's good because the number of contracts, so 3 contracts, and we're gonna add 3 cons to every single account here. So that's one good thing about a Topstep's copy trader is the number of contracts are actually per account, not across all the accounts. I'm really curious if we're gonna break above this upper VWAP line here. It really looks like we're going to, but it could easily reject right here, and then we go for the lows. So on MFFEU, we'll see what happens. On Topstep, we might actually take a short here. Let me pull up my trading. I wasn't actually expecting to take any trades in this video. I just wanted to show you guys how to use the copy traders. But honestly, we're looking pretty good here. We are in a bull market, so I'm thinking we might actually take these longs, not go short. But it takes forever at the same time, so indicators are saying sideways, but we're in an uptrend. And this is London, so we might just mess around for a while. But let's check this out. You guys got the point on how to use the copy traders already. Super simple. Also showed you how to do the trailing stop loss on Tradovate, so So it'll be a nice educational video, and then we'll see if we can make some trades here too. I like to go heavy in Top Step for the combine, so we might actually full port these, or I might pussy out and not do anything. We'll see. We'll see. Right now, I'm digging this setup for either the longs if we break out of here, or the shorts if we reject right here. But it looks like we're already breaking out of this little downtrend, so we actually could snipe some longs. I'm waiting to see if we get a fucking hard dump first, though. It's not a hard dump, it's just a little pullback. I think we will take the longs. Look at that. I think we might go for the highs. Let's see if we make a new high here. Really looks like we're just gonna rip up. But it's struggling right here, this 93 level. So hard that we could come back to VWAP before we make new highs. Kind of already did that massive pullback down there though. So I think I am going to look for a nice entry for longs here. If you guys have any questions about the copy traders, feel free to leave comments below. I answer pretty much every single comment. And if you guys want to see me live day trade, it's every Wednesday live on YouTube, and then on other days I'll go live in my Discord channel, which you could find the link below to join my Discord. It's 90% free. If you guys want education on how to day trade and how I day trade, and kind of like the mental game of day trading, I also have master courses available for subscription that include a special Discord role called the Capo Mobstership. You can sign up for that on the dgtmafia.com website. But if you don't want to do that and you just want to hang out with some badass traders, join my Discord. It's absolutely free. Make sure you like and subscribe to this video too. Hopefully I could pass up that guy that made the trailing stop video that I had to watch that was just brutally painful to watch. I think we might take these longs here, boys. I think we'll scale in short right now, or not, scale in small. We'll just go 3 cons right now across 6 accounts. It really looks like we're gonna break out of here. But yeah, as you can see, we have 6 accounts here, all minus $45. We want to go up to 15 cons, so these 3 cons aren't too big of a deal. I think this is just a pullback, so I want to scale in a little bit more here soon. Not the best entry though, that's for sure. We're gonna add 3 more, up to 6 cons right here. We're looking for the breakout to the upside. It's looking like a really nice little pullback. Nah, we might not be getting our 15 cons. Unless we just add them all in right now. But 6 cons isn't bad either. We can play it a little bit safe. Our 3 other accounts that hit DLL only have a $1,500 max loss limit, and then they're blown, so I don't really want to blow those. Topstep accounts are a little bit expensive, but not really. It's like 120 bucks right now for TopstepX accounts. But yeah, let's see if we can make some money right here. My PT is up here to sell half, and then let the rest run. And Topstep has such a sick feature. It reminds me of Quant Tower a lot, which is one of my favorite things on Quant Tower. For the stop loss, you literally just click right here and you just drag it. And it says how much you lose and a take profit. Boom, you can drag it up there too. So honestly, $1,000 in this trade, if we get this double top and then it rejects whatever, is not bad. But it's diddling a little bit, so I'm not sure if we're actually gonna get our breakouts to the upside. I'm still pretty confident that we're in a bull market and that we are gonna have a bullish day. So I'm gonna stick to it unless something shows some very bearish signs. But yeah, I mean, this is beautiful. And then if we added or sold here, these would automatically change as well. So nice. It's one of my favorite features about TopstepX is just the drag and drop. Wish I wish Tradovate did that as well, but they don't. Maybe sometime in the future they will though. We're a little Dom over here. By the way, if your Dom is uncentered and you want it to follow on TopstepX, then you just press this little A over here, this auto center on last price. And you could also put stops and buys over here if you want to trade the Dom. We might be getting a dump here. But I still think it's a pullback. But how far of a pullback is it going to be? We might go up to our 9 cons here. Yeah, we got it. We got a good fill. We got a really good fill there. Assuming it wicks back up and starts making its way to the new highs. All signs point to bullish right now, so I don't think we're going to dump off a cliff, but we very well could, so we're going to be monitoring this pretty closely. Our stop loss will probably be somewhere over here instead of all the way down there. Ooh, it's coming back on us pretty hard. We could add up to 15 right here. See if this is just a wick. Yeah, let's do it. Let's see if we get our wick up and then head to the highs. Not, we'll take a $500 to $1,000 loss per account. So that would be like a $6,000 loss if we lost 1,000. Copy trading 6 accounts can be a little stressful. Compared to Apex with the 20 accounts, it's way less stressful though. No trailing drawdown for unrealized profits, none of that. Look at that, we are getting the wick up. Let's see if we start making our way towards the highs. I might lighten the load a little bit if it looks a little suspicious. But right now I think we're in a pretty sick spot for the push up. And if we get all the way up there, we're up $3,000 per account times 6. So that would be $18,000. One minute left in this 5 minute. This next 5 minutes starts off super bearish. I think we might just bail because this could be a dump. 40 seconds. That is a bearish engulfing. We might be taking the L, but we want to hold on tight. Ideally, we would have sold some up there when we went green, just in case something like this happened, but I still have strong conviction that we're going back up to the highs, so I'm holding strong. Diamond hands, baby. 15 cons, times 6. Let's see what this next candle does. We need a big, bullish, giant green dildo. See if we get her done. London session extremely slow. Okay, we're getting a wick. We doji here, that wouldn't be a bad sign either. But I want to pump for obvious reasons. Most of my indicators are saying bullish still. Think we're gonna get her done. Might take about 20-30 minutes though. Or an hour because this is London. Nah, but I think we're gonna get a nice pump here, so let's see. Almost at break even again. Pump her on up. How many lots do we have right now? That's a shitload. 15 times 6? Damn, we have 90 lots right now. Ideally, we could have waited for the pullback instead of just buying the top when this dojied, but that's okay. I think we are going to get our pump skeet here. And our trailing loss is still following on MFFU here. Come on, break out of here, baby. Break on out. So we're up $500 times 6 accounts. Technically, we're up 3,000. I want to see this breakout right here. Straight to the highs. We might trail this up because this might actually break the highs too. If we can get that $4,500 for the day, we'll be looking real good. $4,500 is the max you can make on 150K combines for Topstep. Which would have to get up to where? Right here. Doable. Assuming this doesn't diddle around here for too long. Starts diddling a lot, then I could see it coming back down to the lows. We're getting near it, at least VWAP-ish area. Let's get a giant green dildo, baby. You know you want it. You know you want it. You know you want to push up on it. Ooh, giant green dildo. Fuck yeah. Typically, I'd peel off a little bit here, just in case we come back down to the entry, but this is getting so bullish, we might just fucking rocket up to our profit target. MFFU, we're up $14, $15 per account. Let's go, boys. Woo! By the way, if you guys want to try my funded futures or Topstep, the links below will give you the best discounts available. So just look in the description for the links. Code DGT for MFFU will give you the best discount available at all times. Whatever the highest discount is for whatever account you're going for, it will always give you the max discount. Code DGT. Use that at checkout. Just diddling a little bit. Still looking pretty bullish. I think we're gonna hit it. It'll just take some time. It'll take a little bit of patience. It's patience pays, boys. London does like to go sideways quite often, though. It's not stupid bullish or stupid bearish. London lives to go sideways. Mm, mm, mm. Mm. 90 lots long right now. The safer PT would be like right here, but let's see if we get a little overshoot if we get to the top here. It's trying to come back down on us though. But this 93 level turned into support now. Honestly, if this breaks 93, we might just bail for whatever we get. And then I'll trade it later because London's. I do like trading London, but it's not my favorite. Seems to be holding though. We have 2 minutes left in the 5 minute. Huh? Push it. Push it, baby. Push it. To the moon. To the moon. We could sell 3 right here, but I really think it's just going to run up to our PT here. Let's go. Bump it. Bump it. Look at that giant green dildo, boys. We're looking good. Oh no, don't double top on us. Get this overshoot and let us hit that TP right there. Come on. Push it. Push it. Get the overshoot. Get her done. We'll be looking real good if we hit that PT right there, boys. And girls, we looking real good. Oh, these accounts will be almost past too. We'll have XFAs this week if this hits. Oh my god, we're getting so close. This is the place where it could reject though. Oh my god, hit it. So close, so close. Just tap it, baby. Tap it. Just a little bit higher. Just a little bit higher. Ah, ah. Push it. Push it. Push it. Getting close to closing this for $3,700 per account, but I think it might actually tap it. Come on, just a little higher. Just a little higher. Oh, we might just be taking this 3Gs. Yeah, that's the pivot point we were looking out for, and it's bouncing off of it. Let's see. Let's see if it wicks up. If it doesn't, I think we're gonna bail. Come on. Just a little pullback, and then right to our PT. Might just smash our PT. Look at that trailing loss on MFFU too. Looking good. Come on. Give us that 4,300 per account. Ah, we might just take the 2,500. A little more of a pullback than we wanted. Ah, pulling back so hard. Let's see if it wicks up here. This is expected. It just swept the high. Hold the line. Love isn't always on time. Let's see it. Wick back up. Smash our PT. We kind of knew it was gonna reject right there, so it would have been better just to close out, but it was just so close. How many points? It was 1 point away from our PT. That's rough. Thought maybe we'd just get that one extra point. We could have trailed our stop too. I could still hit it though, so we could sit here and wait. See a wick up. This wicks up, we should definitely get our last point or two or whatever we need to hit that PT. I'm just getting bearish. Seems like it's just a pullback though. I do have enough conviction to just put this at break even and leave it, but for the sake of this video, let's just watch it. So I have a minute 30 seconds left. We could still wick up here. The next green dildo could break out. Love isn't always on time. Would have been nasty if we just pressed the reverse button right there, scalped the last 1,000 right there, and been done. 50 seconds. Uh-oh. How much lower are we going to push down? Here we go, 20 seconds left. Wick this up and let's smash the PT, baby. Classic NQ pullback though, from 303 down to 96, like 10 points-ish. I noticed that most pullbacks on NQ are either 10 points, 30 points, or 60 points. They're average pullbacks. We might be closing this out for 1,500 per account. That'll be our max loss or max pullback. Getting close. Gonna wick up. Continue the bull run. I don't think it'll get back to our entry though, so I might be down just to hold it. Could also just look for a re-entry though. Overshot it by 2 points. We needed that third point. Come on, get up there and just smash our PT. Normally on a run like that I would take off some, but we're so close to the PT, so close. It's gonna come back to our entry. That would just be unfortunate. This should be all she wrote if this is just a pullback. Now we continue up, but you never know. NASDAQ likes to do whatever the fuck she wants to do. Just bounce off the upper band of VWAP, or yeah, yeah. What is that? What is that we just bounced off of? Oh yeah, the upper band of VWAP. High conviction in the bull run. Oh, almost hit our trailing stop on FU. But now our trailing stop is in profit, so even if it hits, we still made some money. Looks like we are going to smash our PT here, though. I'm just waiting for it. Safer bet would be to take profits and then re-enter, but we want to smash this in one trade. All the money we needed for Topstep. One trade, just because it's extra cool. Yeah, this is looking like more of a dump than anything though. That vicious run up means a vicious pullback. We need another god dildo here. But if this doesn't, oops, this could be forming a downtrend. We already took out the high lick, so unless we're mega bullish, this could easily turn into like a slight downtrend just to continue sideways action. If it keeps a tight downtrend, we might just flip into shorts for the rest of the money. But let's see if we get mega bullish green boy here. If we do, then we should slowly inch towards the top again. Smash our PT. PT means profit target, if you guys didn't know that. We'll move it up just a little bit because if it does get back up there, we should take it out. It's that mega green boy. Oh, almost hit our trailing stop on MFFU. Almost. And yeah, this trailing stop only goes off of the highest point, so if it starts going up again here, it won't keep trailing. Definitely took the riskier approach with this trade. We should have trailed our stop over here somewhere. So if it pulled back too much, we would have just got out, and then we could have looked for another re-entry, but I have high conviction in this uptrend that we have going on here, so we're going to keep hodling to see if we can get our PT smashed. Might consolidate here. Consolidate's gonna be salty. A lot of my indicators do say sideways action, but we just need to take out that high just a little bit more. Definitely would have been wise to take off some because we're in so heavy, but we didn't do it. It's okay. Still believe in the uptrend. Okay, we're getting a little bit of bullish action. Now we just gotta get another one of these bad boys, smash those highs, and we're Gucci, man. Yeah, right now we have 5 follower accounts and 1 leader account with Topstep, so we are trading 6 different accounts at the moment. Max cons in each one. This might be a pullback for the downtrend. But no, I still have conviction in the bull run. Make this a little pump that could. Boom. Love's and always on time. Just waiting. Waiting to get paid, baby. Just chilling. Killing. Like a villain. Let's get our next leg up here. I think we broke the downtrend a little bit, but this could be overshooting. We could actually still end up coming down. But the chart looks so bullish. The past few weeks, past like week or two have been bullish, so suspect we will continue it. We're not looking for too much. We're looking for 9 more points. I like trading London with max cons because it's somewhat forgiving sometimes. Even if you mess up, you still have a little bit of time to get out. Versus New York, you kind of blow your accounts instantly. You max con. It looks like it was a hell of a pullback, but it was only, yeah, like about 10 points. Typical NQ pullback. Might not be a bad idea to go into minis on MFFU. If this is the start of an uptrend, which we'll see, if it hits our PT, then there's a good chance it's the start of an uptrend that could push into New York. We're up a solid $60 on MFFU right now, though. Funded. Well, these are just combines. Soon to be funded if we hit this PT, though. Woo! 30 more seconds. I want a nice push up here in this 5 minute, and the next 5 minute, boom, smash for PT. Move this to break even just in case. We'll probably close it out before then, but might be toast. This keeps coming down. I don't know if we'll get our uptrend. Say around 96, we might have to get out. Now, technically, we should just get out if it breaks 93, so yeah. Move that up. Secure some money no matter what, otherwise we get our pass. Or close to pass. Funded and paid out, OMG. Hold the uptrend, baby. Love isn't always on time. NASDAQ isn't always on time. Yeah, with that PT, we should have been looking at the chart instead of looking at the dollar signs. Because we knew it was going to sweep this high, but we were 1 point away. We could have just put it like, yeah, just another point away from these highs. Would have been done. Still think it'll hit, though. Could add some micros. I'm at a few. I think this is going to be an uptrend for the day. I wasn't even planning on taking some real trades right now for this video, but it happens sometimes. Sometimes when the opportunity's there, you gotta take it. Even when you're doing an educational video, you know what I mean? But yeah, no, so I showed you guys how to copy trade accounts, how to do trailing stops on Tradovate. Also told you how to copy trade on Topstep and use the stop loss and take profit on TopstepX. And now I'm showing you guys how to ride an uptrend. So double education. Proper PT. Yeah, I mean this looks like a full blown uptrend, so I think our PT is gonna hit and it's gonna keep going. Would not mind adding an MFFU, but I mean, whatever. Whatever we get from these 1 micros, whatever we get, I'm cool with that too. Probably trade these MFFU accounts live on Wednesday anyway. Come on, smash our PT. Do not double top right here. Smash that PT. Smash it. Smash it. Smash it. The double top again? You gotta be fucking with me. Wick up. Now. No, watch it come right back down again. Hey. A little bit unlucky. That is a mega bearish candle. It might literally come back down to our stop. Oh yeah, yeah. Wick it up. Wouldn't be a bad spot to add on MFFU. Unless this does turn into full-blown downtrend, which it very well could, but I'm expecting the wick up. It is top of the hour. It was vicious. We're looking at dollars as the problem here. Still. But we're still riding the uptrend, so even though this is a fucking vicious pullback, we could still hit our PT very, very soon. Wouldn't mind adding an MFFU, honestly. Seems like it's going to be an uptrend day. Right now it's going to dick around and then it's going to fly after this. Assuming it breaks out of here. Right now we're concerned about Topstep. We want this to smash the PT. We're up $3,000 per account, so we could just take it, but we want the whole boat, baby. The whole thing. And that wick is telling me that we are going to hit this. Come on, baby. Push on through. Push on through. Let's go. Finish up these Topstep accounts for me, baby. Baby girl NASDAQ. You can do it. All we need is a little sweep of these highs again. I really think it's going to keep running, but that's okay. We'll take this. We'll take this fucking 4,400 times 6. Assuming it pushes through. Stops diddling. So 2 minutes left in this 5 minutes. Could run this wick. But let's stay bullish, baby. Smash that PT. It just goes to show, don't go off of money like we were just doing, because we could have hit our original PT way earlier, and we wouldn't have to sit through all this and risk it, because this could just be the end of the uptrend, and it could come right back down. But I have pretty strong conviction that this is the full-blown uptrend, and that we are going to hit this take profit here. But we did add a shitload of risk by not just taking that double top right there. Or this double top here too. Ooh, 20 seconds left in this 5 minutes. Just to push up a little bit more, the next 5 minutes should smash our PT. Wick her up, wick her up. 3 seconds. Just gotta flip around here. Otherwise, we might be coming back down to our entry. Yep, we are going on the bull run, it seems. Might add one more micro. Just to let that run on. Smash through that high, baby. Really looks like it's gonna do it. Really could take our 3K per account. I think this is like a sure thing that we're gonna blast through this PT and keep running today. For the London session. Could also do another one of these and then go for the run though. It really seems like we're gonna have a hell of a bullish day today though. As of right now. Smash that PT, motherfucker! Up, up, up. So close. So close. Do we take profit right now? I don't think so. We're gonna wait for it to hit the PT. Hit that PT, baby. Hit that PT. Just a little more. So close. We're up 4K times 6 accounts. We're being greedy as fudge because we wanted to hit that PT. Hit it. Hit it. Rip through, rip through. Rip through. Now we're just gonna close it because I think that might be a little too much anyways. Cool. Okay, so we got 39. Oh shit, so that would have been okay. I thought that was gonna be too much if it hit. But okay, whatever. We made $4,000 pretty much per account. As you see, the follower account made like 75 more dollars than the rest. Pretty odd. They're dicking around a little bit here, but we're gonna let this run. We're gonna add two new trailing stops because we added a second micro, and each stop only sells one con per account, so we need two of these. And we're just gonna let these micros run, see if we can make some money. But boom, we got it. This should go on a bull run, but who knows? Don't care anymore. Made 4K times 6. How much is that? $4,000 times 6 Topstep accounts for a total of $24,000. Imagine that was real money. It's that little trade, 24 G's. That's why you gotta love trading, man. You gotta love trading with copy trading. And now you guys know how to use the copy trader. So if you want to do what I just did, you can do it. Woo! With that being said, I'm literally just gonna leave this. Either I'll break even or it'll keep running. And yeah, whatever happens, happens. We'll see. But till then, make sure you, till the next time, make sure you smash that subscribe, that like button, leave some comments if you have any questions or whatever, and I'll make some more videos for you guys. And tune in Wednesdays for live YouTube day trading. 2 weeks ago, we made $10,000 live on MFFU. So, cool stuff does happen in the lives. Sometimes I blow accounts, but, it's part of the game. So, just make sure you tune and stay subscribed, and make sure you join that Discord channel. The description will have all the links you need. You want to try Topstep, try MFFU, all of that will be in the description. And, yeah, basically, the more people that use my links, the more giveaways I can give away. The more giveaways we could have for free accounts. Like 4 lucky people won $350,000 worth of MFFU accounts last week. So if you guys want to be in on the giveaways, make sure you tune into the lives, go in the Discord, chat a little bit. Don't be scared. Everyone's pretty cool there. And yeah, good luck trading, boys. Till then, peace.